Claude can help you create beautiful websites, clean code, great sections, animations, buttons, everything. But it's just sitting on your computer and no one can actually visit it. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to take an AI generated website from Claude AI and import it onto a live domain. That means we're going to take your AI generated code to an actual website people can visit online. So let me show you how to do it. It's actually really easy. Now, the first thing we'll do is head over to Claude AI. Now, I want to use Fable. So here they have the new model Fable. I don't know how long this will be around for, but it can really generate some beautiful looking websites. And I want to make sure that my effort is extra. Now, before we generate this, I do recommend to go to ChatGPT in order to generate a prompt for Claude AI. So I've already prepared this and I'll put this in the video description. So I'll go ahead and copy this prompt. I'll also put this in the video description. There is a Tiberium note. It's a vibe coded app that I made. It's really cool. I think you'll like it. But anyways, let's go ahead and just go over here and I will paste this in. And I also want to take this one right here, and this is something to make the website not look so AI-ish. So I'll also copy this, and then I will go over here and I'll just paste this in. Now, Claude AI will automatically create HTML websites. So you do need to make sure that it is creating an HTML website and not something with like Node.js or something. You can always just go ahead and just say, hey, create this with HTML. But in general, the default model with Claude will create these websites in HTML. So you shouldn't have a problem. So I'll go ahead now and run this prompt and generate the website. And voila, here is our beautiful AI websites. Now, just to get a preview of this, I'll take a look. And it's very stylish. I do like this. I probably could do a lot more. I can add stuff to it. I have a whole nother video on how to add like motion 3D effects to your websites. But in this video, I'll just show you how to import the HTML file. So let's go ahead and close this. So once you fully generate your AI website, and here you'll see that we have an HTML file, you'll just download this file. Now, the next thing we need to do is import this to a web host. Now, there's several web hosts out there that you can use. I personally recommend to use Hostinger. It's really cheap. You can host up to 50 websites for like $50. So I'll leave a link to Hostinger in the video description. Now, once you click on that link in the description, it'll take you to hostinger.com. Now, all you'll do is just go ahead and go to the home page, start now, and then we have a few plans. You'll just select the business plan. This gives you access to 50 websites, also some vibe coding credits, which is cool. So I'll go ahead and click on choose plan. Next, we'll select a period. Now, by default, they have 48 months. This will cost you around $200. To be honest, 4 years of web hosting for $200, that's actually a really good deal, but I understand some of you guys are broke, no problem. We'll just select 12 months. That'll actually qualify you for a free domain and a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason whatsoever. Now, over here under have a coupon code, if you enter the coupon code Daryl10, you will get an additional 10% off any of the plans at hostinger.com. So here I'll click on apply, and it went from $64 to $57. So again, you can host up to a lot of websites for around like $50. You'll then click on continue. You'll then register and make an account. So I'll go ahead and log in. You'll then fill out your billing information. So you'll fill out your billing information, like your first name, your last name, your social. I'm just kidding, guys. It's a joke. No social. All right. It's a joke. All right. Once you put in your billing info, you'll then click on continue. And the next thing you'll do is fill out your credit card info. So you'll just put in your first name, your last name, credit card info. And then once you enter in your info, you'll then click on submit payment. Now, once you do this, I will then meet you in the Hostinger dashboard. Okay, so this is the Hostinger H panel. Now it's gonna ask you a few questions like, how you wanna make your website. You're just gonna select HTML. And for those of you who already got to your H panel, you'll just simply click on websites. And then on the right side over here, you're gonna see add websites. All you gotta do is click on add a website and select HTML website. Now you can enter in your free domain name, or you can just purchase another one right here. So you can put like yourwebsite.com or whatever, or you can see I have a bunch of ones that I currently own. But you'll just go ahead and type in a domain name. Now I'm gonna use a temporary domain. So right here, I will just use a temporary one for now. So I'll click on use temporary domain. But for those of you who are using a live website, you'll just enter in your domain and click next. And it may ask you to register your information. That is required if you want to register your domain. So you're claiming ownership. So you can like always sell it or transfer it later. So once you register your domain, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Now from here, we're just going to add that file, and then this website will be live in a matter of no time. Over here, we have our file manager. I'll click on open. And then in your file manager, you're gonna see public HTML. You'll just double click. And here we have this default PHP, and we can delete this. So I'll right click on delete. Okay, delete again. Now we're gonna upload that file. So here I'll click on upload, and then I'll select file. And here is the actual website. It is called Artur HTML. So I'll click on open. Now, when you upload files, you must rename them, and you need to rename it index.html. So I'll click on this file and I'll rename it. And we're just going to rename this file index. The reason why we need to change it to index is because the server needs to understand to index this file. So you want to make sure that you change your file name to index.html. And once you do that, this website is now live on the internet. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's that easy to host a Claude website. So going back over here, I'll just wait maybe like, I don't know, 5 seconds. 1, 2, okay, we're done. And I'll click on preview. And here we go. We now have our website on a live hosted domain. So it's really simple. So that's how you can quickly go ahead and, add a website to your new live domain. Also, if you do want to add more websites, it's really simple. So you'll just go back to all websites again, and you'll just go through the same exact process. So you can see here, it's really easy to just keep adding in, Claude websites to your hosting package. You'll go over here, add websites, and then just select HTML website again, and it's just gonna run you through that same exact process. So this is how you can import a Claude website onto a live domain. If you guys have any questions for me about anything, let me know in the comments below. Good luck on your AI website. If you wanna learn more about how to create really cool looking 3D animated websites with Claude, I'll leave a tutorial in the video description. My name is Daryl Wilson, and I will see all of you party people later. Take care.